Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-19, the track rod end. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 2-19, track rod end for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Open up the template. Okay, let's do right view, sketch. We want standard rectangle. That's going to be 9.5 by 2, which should be 19. It is, so 19 square. Always like double check maths at times, because signs can be off. Okay, that's cool. Now it's going to be a length of 38. So feature extrude 38. Nope, 38. Not 28, 38, thank you. And mid plane, which I don't think really matters in this piece, but I do it anyway out of habit. And that's going to be rough. That one looks nice. Now we want, actually, not gonna, the hole's got to go through, but I'm not going to do the hole yet because we do want to add something this side. Let's go this outside, norm 2 and sketch. Now we want to do a circle. It's going to be, there we go. So you do the line, the center point pops up. So we want from there to there and around. Beautiful. And that's going to be, got to put this line in to make it complete, otherwise it won't be complete. There we go. That's going to be through to the other side, so through all that should be, oh, facing the wrong way. There we go. If it's going the wrong way, just hit that button there and done. There's that section done of this piece. Now we want might do the top one. Highway there. This could go either way really, but we want rectangle. Yep. Just connect that piece. This goes through so far. That's going to be 3 mil there. Oh, get rid of that marking. Thank you. That one back. You know, did that one, under that one at the same time. Sometimes it connects a couple of things together, undo, which is kind of annoying, but you don't live with it. Oh, seriously? Okay. Oh, hold on. Let me do that. There we go. 3 mil. That should be 13. It is beautiful. Okay, from here to here is going to be halfway, which is 47.5 divided by 2. And that's going to be there. Now this is going to be extrude cut through. Through all done. That's good. But it's got 2 more holes. So go back this side. Sketch. That's going to be circle. Touch on that one point there, and all of a sudden you got one there. Shows the point there. Blue kind of made a bit hard to see, but yeah, just put your cursor over. Don't touch anything. Don't click, and it shows up that center point. And that's going to be 10. That's going to be cut through all. That one's done. Beautiful. Now we want this end here. Normal 2. sketch. Want a circle that's going to be in the middle. That's going to be, it's going to be 12. That's going to be depth of 16. So extrude cut 16, 16, and done. There you go. Now let's do fillets. 0.5. Round that way. Round that way. Oh, missed. That one goes all the way around. Cool. These two. When you click blue, it shows yellow. It means it's going to continue all the way around there, which is cool. There's everything by looks. Yep. And done. There we go. I'm not going to put one there because I'm not too sure it's going to be interfere. But now we've got to put a thread in here. Let's go to thread. It's going to be 12 mil. It's going to be staying all the way down the bottom there. Beautiful. And it's going to be up to selection. And done. Oh, hold on. Extrude. Yeah, extrude thread. Got change with thread. And done. There we go. And that is done. Oh man, why does it do that? If anyone knows a way to stop it from coming out like that, let me know. Let me go sketch. So I'm still learning, so we just do bigger than a piece. We want to go to extrude. Nope, the other way. Okay. And done. There you go. Thread's now flat. So it's got to be an easier way to do that, but I just don't know how. Yet. Okay, so that is that piece done. So that's piece 2-19. Track rod end done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, click the like button, subscribe, leave comments. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.